Good morning, my dear students. I hope you all enjoying tinkering during this Sankranti holidays. So I'm also tinkering a lot of things for you all to make you understand much better. See the importance of Arduino, the programming, Arduino, boards, the programming, the importance of the programming in between various other our requirements. Basically, actually, see, today in my tinkering, I have developed here one particular IR sensor. This is IR, receiving module I have developed for you all. At the same time, I also have here IR transmitter developed for you. So this the distance between this IR, receiver and transceiver, it can work almost for 2 meters also. So whenever there is a IR ray, transmitted from the transmitter on the right side, so as long as my IR receiving circuit is receiving that particular IR energy, so it doesn't make any difference. It just they are the silent. The reason I developed this one as a IR infrared ray intruder alarm. So if anyone comes in between this transmitting and receiving line, so you must get an alarm. So the receiving circuit must give us a trigger. But suppose say now I'm going to ask my Igna to demonstrate this function. See now the transmitter is transmitting IR energy and also my receiver is receiving. But in between the both transmitting and receiving, so he is going to put something in between. See, you can see the trigger. So IR receiver triggered. You can see the relay is on and the relay indicating LED is also on. So now he is going to remove it, and then you see when the moment again IR energy is coming onto the receiving, so the transmitting IR signal has come onto the receiving, so the relay is off, and so whatever extra alarms and all I wanted to connect onto this particular relay, so I have connected another external source and then the alarms and all. So now the reason, in fact, the main interesting point what I wanted to explain about the importance of Arduino board, Arduino programming in between. Suppose say if I'm blocking the IR energy, through my hand. See, the moment I remove, immediately it is offing. So I wanted to keep some delay. So all that conditions I can easily achieve with the programming. As in our previous, the mentoring sessions, we have explained you the Arduino programming and especially the command about delay. So delay 500, delay 1000 and all we have explained. That is mainly for this purpose. So 1000 is 1000 milliseconds is nothing but as you know that 1 second also. So as long as you want to have the delay of the alarm in this particular, you want to keep the alarm on, you can use this Arduino programming in between. So basic sensing, IR transmitting and IR receiving is the basic, but however, you can have the digital control through this Arduino programming. So I wish you all understand the basics of this electronics and my toy tinkering. I mean all this designing and making various sensors and then the applications. And then also with all your ATL lab equipments, what all that you have there at all the ATLs, so you can more develop, more control, more linear, more various applications onto this. So this I just developed it almost 25 years ago for the purpose of finding someone without my permission entering into my lab space. So with IR rays are invisible rays, though no one can see. But however, I get an alarm into my workspace. So that's where I go and receive the people who ever come without even knocking my door and all. Okay, so this is very important for you. I think you understand, and this same thing can be used at various places also. I mean, at your school place or say your lab space or wherever places you wanted to have monitor, you can. So for security point of view, it can greatly help you. So but now what I request you once again, that learn Arduino programming well and then do whatever more tinkering you want in between my basic electronics things. I can help you guys to make you understand all about the sensors and then the control, the linears and all the electronics and all these things I can make you understand. But the only thing, you need to learn programming and then how can you better control these things. Okay, that is what is more you can tinker. So that's where more flexible, more control, and then more application areas that you can explore. So I think you understood well about today's my tinkering on this 16th of January 2023, on this Kanma Sankranti festival eve. So signing off, your science friend Srinivas from scientificstudents.com. Thank you all. Happy tinkering.